Hey gang, cheat3 here. Today I'm going to be solving this Lego puzzle box, which is called Stained Glass. I think you can see why. It's got this sort of Frank Lloyd Wright-esque-ness about it. And I've not even touched this box. I've been kept away from it so that the solve can be authentic. So here I go. Typically, we have a tool that removes, and I think that's probably it. Well, let's just do a little tour here. I'm noticing this kind of moves. This looks like maybe a button here. This is poking out, obviously, but it doesn't really move. I'm guessing that that is a money tile that is probably the finale. Here's another sort of, looks like it's probably a button of some sort, but I have no access to it. And that did move there. See that? All right, that's a good first step. I was gonna try this first, but my fidgeting revealed another movement. See, if that doesn't interfere with that any. That's a nice feeling to that, but I'm not sure what that revealed. Oh, that lets this push in. No. Oh yeah, it did. Okay. Okay, so when that's in, that doesn't move. Pull that out and push there. And now I have this popping out. Okay. I'm not sure what that revealed. You know, I can kind of see a piece in here wanting to move with it, but it's not. So let's just keep probing. Okay, that popped right out. Was that blocking that? It was. Oh. Watch this. When I push this in here, there's a piece that kind of partly moves back and forth. So when I push that out, I wonder if that's supposed to come back that way. Okay, another one pops out there. What was locking that in place? Surely it wasn't that. So both of those can pop out. I feel like we're getting close to maybe freeing up this button. Does it push or pull though? If I push that back in, oh, hold on. Now that this popped out, when I push this in here, you'll see this opens up. That didn't happen previously. That was not opening all the way. So that, moving this button here must have opened that up somehow. Oh no, does it go? It doesn't go all the way in. Is it jamming? Oh, it is going in. It's just stopping on that. I guess that's not as big as I thought it was. If you can see in there, there's a slider tile that's kind of blocking me. Almost like I want to push that even further in. Oh, did that do it? No, it's still blocking, even though maybe if I have this in, that's going to keep that from sliding over as I push this out, and that's kind of a different position. But I'm not sure what I've gained from that. Oh, now that opened. How did that happen? I mean, I feel like I'm doing things, I just, some things are working, but I've not fully understood how that could have released this move here. That's pretty elaborate. Okay. Look at this. Where does that? This button here, something has to happen with that. I think it has to get pushed out, but it's locked. So what could be locking this button? It's gotta be this blue here. That's got to be the next step. So right now I'm still being blocked by that one inner tile that I was playing with earlier. And when I push that in, it's still oh, wait, it opened. It opened now. There's, oh, it's just hung on this little lip in here. Hold on, let's try this again. Okay, now it's closed. I push that in, it's closed. And now I'm gonna close this whole thing, and I think that closing this now is going to cause that to stick. So that when I'm not gonna push this in, I'm gonna push that. No. No, that opened it. There. Hold on. This blue is gonna come through now. Right here. This one blue one. See that? Boy, that was hard actually to figure that out. And I think I got a little lucky. Trial and error goes a long way in puzzles sometimes. I think this blue one was locking this button in place here. So let's see if I can free that up now. It worked. And that button was blocking the path that runs all the way across for the final move. Boom. And that's your solve. Stained glass, look at this thing. What a gnarly mess. I still am a little unsure about how, if I were to rewind all the way back here a little bit to back into here, there's some hysteresis happening with respect to this tile. There's a little tile in there that blocks this from going through. So let's see if I can figure that out again. So if I'm just doing that, it's not working. So I think I have to first push that in, and then I'm gonna push it back that way. And then when I open it back, it's gone. So that's it. It's just kind of I think that there's like a slider on the key. So it's like the key moves, the key slides, and there's a slider on top of that that has to get pushed into another position before the key's moved back. And then it opens, allowing that move, and then allowing that move, and then finally this one. Oh, come on. Oh, that one right there. Stained glass, y'all. Build it, buy it, try it. It's a great puzzle. Cheat3 out.
Hey guys, it's me. I just want to do a quick note about the reset. So it's pretty self-explanatory what you're supposed to do. Essentially, you just push in all these buttons. There is one way that you can lock the puzzle. If you push in this blue tile before you push in this button, it'll get locked and you'll have to take the puzzle apart in order to reset it. So you want to just put everything back in reverse order. The most important is this white slider. So push that one in, and then you can push all these ones in. For this one here, you need to make sure that you can see that pink tile in the window. So right now you can't see it. This one will not go back in. Now you can see the pink, so now you can press this one in. And then press this one in. And let's see. There we go. This pink tile was over just a little bit too far. So I pressed in this one on the side with the lime, and that moves this lime tile back into position. If this tile is looking like that, you need to reset that. That's partially in a solved position, whereas that is fully reset. And then replace the tool. So everything should be pushed in except for this lime tile.